It's strange to see you driving normally on this track, Miki.
I kind of
No
like
pressure,
it.
Nikki. I'm watching you.
Now you're a
Critiquing.
missile.
Mickey drives normally most times. She's just very aggressive,
Okay.
Yeah,
trying to
she's
kill-
badass.
trying to
Just
kill
decided,
me
you know what? I don't like
and
fourth.
everybody else. I'll tell you
Oh,
who
that was
hates
nice
me.
corner.
One person I know who hates me is Pumbaa. Y'all ever see somebody named Pumbaa?
Yeah, I've
Oh,
seen a guy
dude.
called Dust.
Yeah, that guy hates me.
Wow, instant wreck.
I fuck with
Like-
Pumbaa every time he's on the track.
I used to, but then I stopped just because it got boring. Because when you do, he automatically gets in a
Miki,
bus.
you're
and,
killing
like,
everyone.
Yeah, and then when he gets in a bus, I really get on his ass.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
Who
But
next?
you know I hate fuckers who will try to get bus revenge in a bus.
Oh, you could have killed him, Miki. One health.
And pick the
I
same
know.
color as another bus. Ooh, fucking sneaky fuck.
Guys,
She's in
who knows?
survival mode.
Uh-oh. Mickey's on a prayer and a fucking wish.
Living on
I
a
don't
prayer.
think you're gonna
She's
reach me
Bon
in time,
Jovi.
Miki.
I live. Fuck, dude. I'm old enough to have
Try.
sang that shit in the car when it came on the radio when I was a little kid. It was
I'm
like top 10.
58. How old are you?
Oh, you're 58? I'm 43.
Nice, Miki.
I died.
Yeah, I'm an old fart, disabled,
Worth
retired.
it.
Yeah, I'm
3
50.
kills.
Good job.